Write down question number 5. Find the 20th term. Find the 27th term of the following AP. Of the following AP. 9 4 minus 1, 9 4 minus 1 minus 6 minus 11 and so on. 9 4 minus 1 minus 6 minus 11 and so on. तो आपण यामध्ये एक फॉर्म्युला पाहिलाय nth term of a sequence. Now what is the formula? Nth term of a sequence
plus n minus 1d.
correct. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. By using this, we have to solve this example. Find the 20th term, 27th term of the following AP. Now first write down given AP as it is. 9 4 minus 1 minus 6 minus 11 and so on. Here first term, that is a is equal to 9 and common difference d is equal to second term minus first term. Second term is 4 minus first term is 9. D is equal to 4 minus 9.
-5.
Is equal to minus 5. A and D value काढल्या. Now write down formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have to find value of 27th term. म्हणजे यांची व्हॅल्यू किती आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू कशाची काढायची 27th टर्म म्हणजे कसं लिहायचं त्याला फर्स्ट टर्म आपण कसा लिहितो a और t1 सेकंड टर्म t2 बरोबर आहे 27th टर्म कसा लिहिता येईल मग
T27.
Therefore, T27 is equal to, put value of A is 9 plus, we have to find value of n minus 1 into, आपल्या T27 ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची. n ची व्हॅल्यू किती? Tn. N is 27, therefore 27 minus 1 into value of D is minus 5. कसं लिहिलंय Tn, N is 27. T27 is equal to A is first term 9 plus N is 27 minus 1 into minus 5. D is minus 5. 9 plus 27 minus 1 is 26 into minus 5. 9 plus into minus 26 into 5.
-130.
Minus 130. Therefore, 9 minus 130 is here
-121.
minus 121. This is the value of T27. Therefore, write down answer. What is the answer? आपल्याला काय करायचंय? फाइंड द 27th term. Therefore, 27th term of given AP is minus 121. Therefore, write down. Therefore, 27th term of given AP is minus 121. This is the answer. Write down question number 6. Find how many 3-digit natural numbers. Find how many 3-digit find how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. Divisible by 5. Find how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. Find how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. Now, which is the first number which is divisible by 5? Now, which is the first 3-digit natural numbers which are divisible by 5?
100.
कोणता तीन अंकी संख्या आहे?
100.
100. Correct. Now, first we have to write all these terms. Write down. The 3-digit natural numbers. The 3-digit natural numbers which are divisible by 5, which are divisible by 5 are 3-digit natural numbers. First is 100. Now, what is the second?
105.
105. Third, 110, 115, and so on. Now, which is the last term?
995.
995. 995. The 3-digit natural numbers which are divisible by 5 are 100, 105, 110, and so on. Last is 995. Therefore, here first term A is equal to 100 and common difference D is equal to काय लिहायचं? D is equal to
5.
5.
105 अगोदर असेल डायरेक्ट लिहिले तरी चालेल कारण डिव्हिजिबल बाय 5 किंवा 105 minus 100 is equal to 5. Now write down formula. Now Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now put values. Value of Tn. त्याला काय करायचंय पहा. How many 3-digit natural numbers म्हणजे कोणती व्हॅल्यू काढायची? How many म्हणजे अशा किती संख्या आहेत? म्हणजे व्हॅल्यू कोणती?
N.
Tn.
Yeah. Now here we have given Tn. Tn is 995. I'll write down here. Tn is equal to 995. That is nth term is 995. Therefore, 995 is equal to A is 100 plus n minus 1 into D is 5. Now transfer this to the left hand side. 995 minus 100 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. Now write down this equation for n minus 1. कसं लिहिता येईल सांगा बरं? Therefore, n minus 1 is equal to
995 minus
हा. त्याला डायरेक्ट लिहू आपण 995 minus 100 is
895.
895 divide by and multiply divide by 5. लक्षात आलं कसं लिहिलं? त्यांचं सबट्रॅक्शन डायरेक्ट लिहिलं 895 divide by 5. Now dividing by 5 1 1
179.
9 179. Therefore, n minus 1 is equal to 179. N is equal to 179 minus becomes plus 1. Therefore, n is equal to 180. Now, value of n is 180. Therefore, what is the answer? Therefore,
total
so we can
Tn is equal to
total
180.
अगोदर या शब्दातल्या how many 3-digit natural numbers?
of 3 digit
Therefore,
number divisible by 5 is equal to 180.
correct. त्याला असं लिहा. Therefore, वेगळ्या शब्दात लिहिता येईल. There are 180 3-digit natural numbers which are divisible by 5. Therefore, there are 180 3-digit natural numbers which are divisible by 5. This is the answer. Question number 7. The 11th term and 21st term of an AP are 16 and 29. The 11th and 21st term दिले. Respectively, then find 41th term of that AP. आपल्याला 41th term काढायचे. या arithmetic progression ची 41th term काढायची. Now, first write down we have we have formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here, 11th term is 16. T11 is equal to 16. T21 is equal to 29. Write down given. आपल्याला दिलेलं काय? T1 is equal to 16. T21 is equal to 29 given. Now put values. Now here, therefore, here 11. Therefore, T11 is equal to. Now put value of n is 11. T11 is equal to A plus. Value of n is 11 minus 1 into D. और A आणि D च्या व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला दिलेल्या नाही. A plus 11 minus 1 into D. Therefore, now put value of T11 is 16 is equal to A plus 10D. Therefore, we can write this as, therefore, A plus 10D is equal to 16. This is number 1. A plus 10D is equal to 16, number 1. And now write down this equation for T21. And T21 is equal to A plus value of n is 21. Therefore, 21 minus 1 into D. Now put value of T21. T21 is 29 is equal to A plus 20D. A plus 20D. Therefore, A plus 20D is equal to 29. This is number 2. Now write down equations 1 and 2. Equation 1 is A plus 10D. A plus 10D is equal to 16. A plus 10D is equal to 16. And A plus 20D is equal to 29. This is number 1. This is number 2. Now by solving these two simultaneous equations, we have to find values of A and D. काय करावं लागेल सांगा? Addition घ्यावं लागेल का subtraction?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. Now write down here minus, minus, minus. Plus A minus A get cancelled. Here bigger term is minus, therefore minus 20 minus 10 is minus 10D is equal to. Here bigger term is minus 29 minus 16 is 30. Therefore, D is equal to minus 13 divided by minus 10. Minus minus get cancelled. Therefore, value of D is 13 upon 10. D ची व्हॅल्यू मिळाली. आता आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू कोणती काढायची? A ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची. काय करावं लागेल सांगा?
Equation 1 मध्ये व्हॅल्यू पुट करायची.
Therefore, equation 1 becomes equation 1 becomes. Now put value of D in equation 1, that is A plus 10 into D is 13 upon 10 is equal to 16. Here 10 get cancelled. A plus 13 is equal to 16. A is equal to 16 minus 13. Therefore, A is equal to 3. A ची व्हॅल्यू मिळाली 3, D ची व्हॅल्यू मिळाली 13 upon 10. Now we have to find. आपल्याला काय काढायचं आहे सांगा. Then find 41th term म्हणजे व्हॅल्यू कोणती काढायची? 41th term कशी काढायची? 41 ची. T41. Now write down T41. इथपर्यंत समजलं कसं लिहिलंय? अगोदर दिलेली माहिती लिहिली, नंतर फॉर्म्युला लिहिला E n इक्वल टू A प्लस n मायनस 1 इंटू D. त्यावरून इक्वेशन 1 आणि 2 कॅल्क्युलेट केले. By solving these two equations, we get values of A and D. Now, T41 is equal to A plus n minus n is 41 minus 1 into D. We have to find value of T41. Therefore, T41 is equal to A plus n is 41 minus 1 into D is equal to value of A is 3 plus 41 minus 1 is 40 into D is 13 upon 10. Here this 0 get cancelled. Therefore, 3 plus 13 into 4, 52. Therefore, T41 is equal to 55. Therefore, write down answer. Therefore, 41th term of that AP, 41th term of that AP is 55. This is the answer.